Is the GoPro Hero 13 really worth it? Well, today we'll be looking at the GoPro Hero 10 and the new GoPro Hero 13. And short answer is no. Do not upgrade unless you really like the new features, the GoPro and the side magnetic battery, charging capability. Other than that, aside from that, when we look at the specs, when we look at the processor and internal specs, guys, they are identical. They are identical. They both shoot 5K up to 60 frames per second. These cameras are near identical. And in my opinion, it is not a worthy upgrade. Now, I believe the 11 should have been what the 13 is, because the 10, 11, and 12 are almost all identical. There's a few different features. However, the 10 and 13 are a tiny bit different in design, if any at all, really. But in my opinion, right now, these are on sale, and these are a bit overpriced for what you get, because every new feature that the 13 has is an optional feature. You have to buy them separately. So if the 13 came out with the added lenses included, then it would be worth it. But in my opinion, it's not worth it at all. There's a quick comparison of the 10 and 13.